everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm doing a full Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk look. Charlotte Tilbury recently came out with completely brand new Pillow Talk collections, and this includes the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Palette as well as the eyeliner. I'm really excited to go ahead and try this eyeliner, but I bought a few new products and I really want to do a full complete Charlotte Tilbury skincare routine as well as a makeup routine. So if you guys want to see this little makeup tutorial walkthrough, including the instant eye palette tutorial, then please keep watching. Now, more than a review and a makeup tutorial, I really want to do something different where I follow Charlotte Tilbury's step-by-step routine. So first off, let's go ahead and prep the skin. Now, I do love Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. It is a complete lifesaver. I am completely out of it though, so I do have a sample here. So we're just gonna go ahead and use the sample. All right, so we're gonna apply this all over my face. I love this Magic Cream. It just gives an instant boost to your complexion. I love everything about it. It's thick, but it's not greasy, and I just feel like it brings life back to my face. Next, I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Cream. I cannot live without this eye cream. This is my favorite. I keep repurchasing it. So that's the Magic Cream as well as the eye cream, and now I thought I would use the Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. Now, I've never used this before. I've seen really great reviews on it, and Charlotte Tilbury swears by it, but she swears by all of her products, and honestly, I do love her products. They're really good, and just the way she speaks about her products with complete enthusiasm, you can't help but love them. Let's see what this mask is all about. Honestly, it reminds me of Friday the 13th. It comes like so. It's just completely dry. Literally, it's a dry mask. There's nothing on it. At least it doesn't feel like there's anything on it. All right, let's go. I guess Charlotte does move this on her mouth too. Kind of adds it to the lips. Alright, we're going to keep this on for about 15 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, so I've had this on now for 15 minutes. I can't believe that this would work being just completely dry. Huh. Oh, my skin is really soft. See, I'm not sure if it's the mask or if it's really soft because of the Magic Cream, but feels nice. Definitely feels nice. I really don't know how this science could actually work. This is completely dry. Now, Charlotte did say we could use this up to 5 times, so I'm just gonna put it right back and use it some other time. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Now, I do love this foundation. I got it in color number 4. This one is too light for me, but what I've been doing is I've been mixing it with a darker type of foundation. So because today I really want to just stick with Charlotte Tilbury products, I have this Hollywood Flawless Filter sample with all these different colors. I think I'm gonna go ahead and mix this for medium. Let's see what it looks like. If not, I can always go up a color. This 510 kind of feels a little bit too orange, but otherwise I could go with the 6. So I've really been loving this Tati Blendiful. This is literally the only thing that I use now to apply my foundation. It just applies it so smoothly, and I just love building up my foundation using this. It's just so perfect. Okay, so that is the foundation. So it looks so good when I mix it with another color, but it will get just slightly darker because this foundation does oxidize. Next, I'm going to apply the Vanish Under Eye Cream in color number 2, as well as the Magic Away Concealer in color number 5. So now that we have the base, I'm gonna go ahead and use my contour wand to go ahead and bronze up my face. Use a cream contour, what I like to use is my brush, and then over that I use my Tati Blendiful to kind of just make sure all of that goes into my skin very seamlessly. I found that this is the best way to use the Blendiful for contour. Now I'm going to use this little mini Airbrush Flawless Finish powder to kind of put everything and set it into place, and this is medium in number 2. Now it's time for some new products, so I'm gonna go right into the Instant Eye Palette. I love Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk is one of my favorite lipsticks. I always go to it whenever I'm in doubt. I know that if I use Pillow Talk, I will have a good look. So this is what this palette looks like. Go ahead and take this. So as usual with any of Charlotte Tilbury's Instant Eye palettes, she always has different looks. This one comes with 4 different looks, and it has a day, desk, date, and dream. So both the day and dream have shimmery type of colors, and then the middle ones are just completely matte, and that's pretty surprising because usually she has at least one shimmer shade that you kind of pat on and apply onto your entire lid. These are really beautiful. I'm really interested in this one here. You guys just a little bit more. I think I am gonna mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna use a combination of the day look and also the dream look. First off, let's get into this color right here, and I'm gonna shade that into my crease. Colors are seriously so beautiful. I love that she's expanding the Pillow Talk looks. They're just so beautiful, so subtle. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shimmer shade right here. And we are gonna go ahead and put it all over my eyelid. All right, just blending all of those colors so there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm gonna go into this darker color right here, just the matte color, and just put that on my outer corner. Next, I'm going to grab this middle color right here and just pat that onto my inner corner. Honestly, this is more intense than I thought it would be. It doesn't feel like a Pillow Talk look at all. I definitely feel like all of these colors do, but this one kind of reminds me of the Natasha Denona palette. Honestly, I didn't really expect this look to look very similar to the Natasha Denona look I used with the Love palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this dark brown and apply that to my outer corner and blend that in. I really wanna go for a little bit of a different look than what I've done in my past video. In honesty, I don't feel that I'm too happy with this look. It's just looking like a hot mess, and I feel that it's really starting to look like the Natasha Denona look that I did for the Love palette. So I'm going to take this off and we are going to start again. So I just removed my eye makeup. As you guys know, I am completely honest with you. If I don't like a look, I will tell you that I do not like a look. And these colors are just way too much. I feel that maybe if you use one color, but using them all in combination, it's just way too much. I did not like the look at all. So let's just go in with the day look. We're gonna do all 3 colors in combination. I'm not going to use anything else. Start with the champagne shade, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. Next, I'm going to use this shade right here and apply that to my outer corner. I'm gonna go into this middle shade and I'm going to apply that onto my lid. Now that I have the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and go right in to the eyeliner. I'm really excited about this, but then again, you never know because I'm not so fond of this palette, unfortunately. But we'll see. Maybe when the whole look gets pulled together, I'll change my thoughts about it. But let's go ahead and try the liner. So I am gonna create a V-line flick using this. I love the color. Let's just heat it up a little bit. It's kind of like a dark brown mauve type of a look. Very pretty look, but let's see how it goes on the eye. Okay, so there is the liner. I like it. Do I love it? Not really. I feel that, I don't know, this look kind of makes me look very dragged down, very tired. It's not giving me, I like the brightness of a look. It's just, yeah, it doesn't, I think I prefer the quad a lot more than this. But what do you guys think? If you've tried this palette, let me know what you guys think and what worked for you and what didn't. I mean, I think maybe the Desk and Date, maybe those colors would work better. But I don't know, I just feel like my face is completely very dragged down. But let's go ahead and complete the look and pull it all together and then we'll see what I think about it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips and put on the Pillow Talk, just the original color. She also came out with a medium and intense color. They also look very beautiful, and I think maybe with a darker lip, these kind of eye looks would look a lot better. But I just ended up just sticking with my medium. This is my favorite. I also did purchase the Diamond Pillow Talk lipstick, so I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of this right on top of the Pillow Talk lipstick, and then finally just add some Pillow Talk blush. And that's the finished Pillow Talk look. I also did add some of the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara, and it definitely pulled the look together. I think there were just too many pinks going on. You just really need that little bit of darkness, and that's why I think the medium and the intense Pillow Talk lipsticks would look really good with this palette. I love this trio lip look. I really love combining the Pillow Talk lipstick and liner with the Pillow Talk diamonds. It really creates just a lovely sheen to your lips, and it feels just so comfortable. The Pillow Talk eyeliner is definitely growing on me, especially after adding the mascara. You definitely need to add mascara with this, or else this look makes you feel so drained. You have to add some sort of black to the look, and that mascara with the eyeliner really looks amazing. So the palette, do I think it's worth it? I honestly wanted to love this. I thought I would love it because I really love all of the Pillow Talk colors. I loved the quad Pillow Talk look, but this one, I honestly feel that I really like the quad more. I don't know. I don't feel that I liked this trio at all. I think these colors, if you are getting the Natasha Denona Love palette, these colors are basically the same thing, so you do not need this palette. And then with these three, I just feel that quad just has all the colors that you need. Even if you get the quad with the diamonds, that's all basically shimmer shades, I feel that that quad is just going to be so much nicer than this. I'm really disappointed. I wanted to love this palette. It looks beautiful in the pan. And I mean, it's not that I'm not going to use it. I definitely will be using this, especially these two middle colors here, just for a quick everyday look. I think once I added everything, really the look pulled together quite nicely, but I'm really shocked about these three. I don't think I'll be using these three colors anytime soon. Out of all of the new products that have come out, I think the new Pillow Talk lipstick shades are definitely something that I would want to try. And also, I really like the Pillow Talk liner. I think it's very unique and I really recommend it to you guys. And that concludes my review of Charlotte Tilbury's new Pillow Talk collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.